Hello friends, this is smart door locking system from eufy. It will be attached to the main door. It is used for locking the door automatically. It works on fingerprint and number system. So today I am going to unbox this one. I will show you what are the items inside this. This one is the internal unit which is attached to the door from inside. This unit is a external unit. It is also attached to the door. It is having the number lock system, fingerprint system, and this is the doorbell switch, and it is having video camera also. It is attached at the front of the door, and this one is the battery backpack. This one is the doorbell chime which is kept inside our room, and this one is the screws and deadbolt which is used in the locking system of the door. And these are some accessories. This is a strike plate and some screws. These are the keys given, and one user manual. That's all friends. It was purchased from Best Buy. It costed $330 in US. I will install it and show you how to install it on the main door.
Red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time, blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight, oh yeah, we'll make it tonight, yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do, I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove, no end in sight, just always staying on the move, I'll go all night, if that's just what I got, it's life's too short to care about what you can't afford, memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored, go ask for more, go ask for more, 'cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute, going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit, I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit, are you alive, I'll just breathe in, 'cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute, going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit, I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit, are you alive, I'll just breathe in, I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast, they wanna be that someone on the screen at last, they ain't looking inside for their needs in life, they wanna be liked by everybody in sight, but trust me, being free ain't spotlights, no it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right, but if you put in the work you can find the light, alright, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do, I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove, no end in sight, just always staying on the move, I'll go all night, if that's just what I got, it's life's too short to care about what you can't afford, memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored, go ask for more, go ask for more.
Friends, now I have installed it and downloaded the software. it's already synced with the house Wi-Fi system. Now I will show you how it works. See, this is the final output of installation. It is the front unit and this is the inner unit. Everything is synced with the house Wi-Fi system. Now see, if I lock the door, it will get automatically locked. Now you can't open the door. It can be opened by two methods. One is by entering the passcode key. Another is by entering your fingerprint. This is the bell switch. As soon as we ring the bell, the inner unit will give a visual indication and the camera automatically records the footage of the person standing in front of the door and which will be displayed on your mobile or any display system which is connected with this system. Friends, see, now I rang the bell, my image is displayed on the mobile. It was recorded through that video cam and sent to my mobile through Wi-Fi system. Friends, now I am opening the door. See, I put my finger on the finger scanner. Now the door will be opened. See. Now I close the door. The door will be automatically locked. As soon as it is locked, beep will come. Now I will open the door using the number system. I am entering the passcode to the keypad on the external unit. You have to wait till the indicator turns blue from orange. As soon as it becomes blue, the door will be automatically unlocked. In this way, we can use the smart lock for locking and unlocking by fingerprint, by entering passcode. Friends, as soon as we close the door will get automatically locked. Moreover, we can open the door remotely through our mobile phone also. Thanks for watching my video. Friends, don't forget to like and share my video. Please subscribe my channel Biker Ageless.